Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk battery used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Remove the battery tray cover. Never start by disconnecting the positive terminal with all the car still connected to the minus terminal. This risks creating dangerous sparks in the electric network of your car. Using a 10mm spanner, start by removing the negative terminal from the battery. Using a 10mm spanner, unscrew the terminal from the negative terminal. Remove it, then move it away to avoid any untimely reconnections which could damage the electrical network in your vehicle. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, unfix the holding nut that fixes the positive terminal. Remove the air conduit from the ECU cover. Then remove the cover. To remove the battery, you must unscrew the holding bar. Using a socket wrench, an extender and an 8mm socket, unscrew the two holding nuts. To save time, finish the process off by hand. Don't try to remove them. Remove the bar and they will come off at the same time. Using a socket wrench and an 8mm socket, unscrew the nut holding the plus terminal cable in place. Remove the cable. You can now remove the battery. Sand the inside of the terminals with sandpaper to remove the layer of white oxidation and to avoid breakdowns in the long term.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new battery and remove the protective covers. Coat the terminals with copper grease to improve the contact between the terminals and connectors, but also to limit oxidation development. Put the battery back into its compartment. Put the holding bar for the battery back on. Then screw the two bolts back on. Screw the knot holding the plus terminal cable in place. Start by putting the positive terminal back in place. Fix it in place with a 10mm spanner. Refit the plastic battery cover. Put the negative terminal back in place. Then screw the nut back on. Finally, do the same with the negative terminal. Put the ECU cover back in place. Return the air duct to its place. Replace the battery tray cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.